Hello students, today we learn about median. Let us start. What is median? Word median of a given observations is the value which divides the given observation into two equal parts. To understand from two equal parts, let us take an example here. There are right to find the median of the given observation 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Since all the five numbers are in ascending order, therefore 4 divides them into two equal parts. On the left hand side of the 4, there are two terms, and on the right hand side of the 4, there are two terms. This means 4 divides the given observation into two equal parts, right? Given observation into two equal parts. Algorithm to find out the median. Arrange the observations, given observations in ascending or descending order. First of all, you have to write down the observations in ascending or descending order. Let us take an example here. There are numbers. Let us take the numbers 2, then 7, 3, 1, 5. We have to range these numbers in ascending order to find out the median, right? How? First of all, we will write down 1, then 2, then 3. After 3, there is 5. After 5, there is 7. Second one is determine the total number of observations. Determine the total number of observations. Let us say then as n. उनको हम मान लेते हैं वो n number of terms हैं, ठीक है? If the number of terms are odd, then the median is the value of n plus 1 by 2th term. N plus 1 by 2th term is the median, right? You can say, let us take an example here. Let number of terms are 3. Therefore, median is equal to what? Value of 3 plus 1 by 2th term observation. That is value of 4 by 2th. 3 plus 1 क्या होता है? 4 by 2. अब 4 को 2 से डिवाइड करो तो क्या बनेगा? Value of second observation, right? let n is equal to 3, then median is equal to value of 3 plus 1 by 2th term, that is क्या हो जाएगी 4 by 2, that is value of 4 by second term, that is observation value of second observation. Median is value of second observation. Let us take another example here. Number of terms is equal to 5. Then what will be the median? The median is the value of 5 plus 1 by 2th observation. That will be 6. 5 plus 1 कितना होता है? 6 by 2th. That is third. That is median is the value of third observation. Right? Let us take one more example here. Let n is equal to 7. Again odd. Number of observations are odd. Then median क्या होगी? ध्यान से इस बात को समझ लो. ये समझ आ गया तो फिर समझ आ जाएगा. Value of 7 plus 1 by 2th observation. That is 8 by 2th observation. That is median is 4th observation. Value of 4th observation. Let us take another example. N is equal to 11. 11 is again an odd number. Then median is what? 11 plus 1 by 2th observation. That means 11 plus 1 is what? 11 plus 1 is 12. 12 by 2 कितना हुआ? 6th observation. Value of 6th observation. Right? Let us move now. If the number of terms are even, in last we talk about the number of terms are odd. Now we will talk about the if the number of terms are even. Then the median will be what? Median will be the mean of the n by 2th observation plus value of n by 2 plus 1 observation. ठीक है? That means what? Divided by 2. Mean कैसे निकालते हैं? Divided by 2. Number of terms, अगर number of terms 2 हैं तो divided by 2. Let us take an example. N is equal to 4. That is even. Number of observations are even. Then value median is the value of 4 by 2. कितने आ जाएगी 4 by 2 मतलब second term observation. And plus value of 4 by 2 plus 1th observation. ठीक है? इन दोनों के कौन से आ जाएगा बेटा? Median is equal to value of second observation plus value of third observation का mean. That is mean of second observation and third observation. You can say like this also. ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं आप. Now come to the next. Let n be the number of terms is equal to even, that is equal to 6. Then median is equal to mean of 6 by 2 मतलब third and 6 by 2 plus 1 मतलब fourth. 6 by 2 plus 1 1th observation. That is the median of value of observation third observation and fourth observation. ठीक है? मीन किस किस का मीन लेंगे हम? थर्ड ऑब्जर्वेशन और फोर्थ ऑब्जर्वेशन का मीन जो होगा दैट विल बी अ मीडियन. राइट? यू कैन राइट लाइक दिस आल्सो. दैट इज आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं बेटा. मीडियन इज इक्वल टू मीन of third and fourth observations. That's observations. Now let us take an example where the number of observations are odd. Let us take a data. 2 observations are 2, 5, 3, 7, 9, 3, 6. Count the number of observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 means number of terms are odd. First of all, we will write down here the given that first of all we will write them all the observations in ascending order. Okay? We'll write down them in ascending order. That is 2, 3, then 3. After 3 there is a 5. After 5 there is a 6, and then 7, and last 9. Now number of terms are 7. That means they are odd. Therefore, the median is equal to 7 plus 1 by 2th observation. That is, median is 7 plus 1 by 2th observation means 8 by 2th observation. That means 4th observation will be the median. Now see here, which one is the 4th observation? See here, which one is the 4th observation? Count here. Count karo beta. First observation is this, second, third. This one is 4th observation. This is the median. This is median. It means median is what? Median is 5. Median is 5. Therefore, median is 5. Median is 5, right? Now let us take another example where the number of terms are even. Let the number of terms observations are 18, 7, 32, 3, 19, 10, 4, 22, 6, and 5. First of all, what we will write down? Given observations are. Given observations are what? 18, 7, 32, 3, 19, 10, 4, 22, and 6. Now we will write them in ascending order. We will write down them in ascending order. First of all, which one will be there? 3. Smallest कौन सा है? सबसे smallest कौन सा? 3. So 3. Then 4, 5, 6, 7, then 10, 18, 19, 22, and 32. What is the total number of observation? Count them. Count करो भी. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 terms are there. It means number of terms are even. Number of terms are even. That are 10. Now, what will be the median? Median is the value of n by 2th observation plus n by 2th plus 1th observation divided by 2. That means median is equal to what? 10 by 2. 10 by 2 कितना आ गया बेटे? 10 by 2 means 5. 10 by 2 means 5. 10 by 2 means 5. काट के देख लो जैसे 5 आ गया. इधर भी आ जाओ. 5 plus 1 कितना हो गया बेटा? 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. इनके fifth term, fifth and sixth term are the medians. Right? Therefore, median is equal to, which one is the fifth term? कौन सी है? Which one is the fifth term? Fifth term is 7. The number of, let us see here, the observations. What are the observations? 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, 10, 18, 19, 22, and 32. These are the number of observations. These are the observations given. Now count the fifth and sixth term. 1, first term, second, third, fourth, fifth. Fifth is this 7 and sixth is 10. There's mean of these two terms. We will take the mean of these two terms. That is 10 plus 7 plus 10 divided by 2. Mean ऐसे निकालते हैं, दो टर्मों का मीन निकालना हो तो sum of observations divided by number of observations. Sum of terms 10 plus 7 17 divided by 2 कितना हो गया? 17 by 2. 8 to the 16 कितने बचे? 1 बचा. 5 to the 10. 10 बन गया 8.5. Right? Therefore, median is equal to 17 by 2. Therefore, median is equal to 8.5. Let us do the questions of book. First question is, find the median of the following data. The given data is 11, right? 39, solution. Write down. Given data is, sorry, yes, we will write down. Solution. The given data is, given data, yeah, observations are, given observations are 11, 39, 43, 45. After 45 there is a 25, 46, 43, 42, and 37. First of all, what we do? We will arrange them in ascending order. Arrange them in ascending order. First number is what? Which will be the first number? 11. After 11, 25. After 25, 37. After 37, 39. 39 के बाद कौन सा नंबर है? 42. Then 43. 43 कितनी बार आ रहा है? एक बार ये है, एक बार ये. 43 2 टाइम आ रहा है, तो 43, जितनी बार आ उतनी बार लिखना है ये. ठीक है. After 43, 45 is there. After 45, 46. Count the number of terms. The number of terms are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The number of terms are odd. Since there are 9 terms. Which are odd. Which are odd. That is, we'll write down here n is equal to 9. Therefore, क्या होगा फिर? Therefore, median is equal to n plus 1 y with observation. Observation. 9 plus 1 means divided by 2 observation. That is what? 9 plus 1 means 10 y towards observation. Observation. That is, fifth observation will be the median. Okay. Now see here. See here now. Median is equal to, therefore, median is equal to fifth observation कौन सी है? Count है 1, first, second, third, fourth, fifth one is this 42. Therefore, median is 42. Therefore, median is 42. Find the median. Now take a next question. Find the median of 85, 42, 56, 69, 51, 81, 72, 92, and 67. Right now, given. Similarly, the arrange the given observations in ascending order. First of all, which is the smallest number here? कौन सा smallest number है? Smallest number is 42 is the smallest number here. So first of all, we will write down 42. After 42, 51 is there. After 51, 67 is there. After 67, 69 is there. Then 72, 81. After 81, 85 is there. After 85, 92. Now count the number of observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number of terms are 8. Again, count them. 67 is also there, beta. 67. First of all, 42, 51, 56 is also there. Sorry, 56 is also there. With mistake, we have not written 56 here. The number of terms are 9. here the number of terms, here the number of terms are 9. That is they are odd or even. This means that is you can say n is equal to 9, the odd number. You can write like this also. Now, what is the median? Median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation. That means what? N means n की जगह क्या लिखेंगे? 9 plus 1 by 2th observation. Nine plus 1 means 10 by 2th observation. 10 को 2 से डिवाइड करो कितना आ जाएगा जी? 10 को 2 से 5. Therefore, 5th observation. Median is what? Median is 5th observation. Therefore, median क्या आ जाएगी? Median. Now count the number of terms here. From here, we will see first, second, third, fourth, fifth is 69. Therefore, median is 69. Find the median of 15, 47, 48, 81, 17, 27, 9, 3, 10, and 75. Arrange them in ascending order. Solution. Arrange the given observations in ascending order. First number, smallest number is 3 is the smallest number here. After 3, there is a 9. After 9, there is a 10. After 10, there is a 15. After 15, 17. 17 के बाद कौन सा नंबर है जी? See here, 27. 27. 27 के बाद 47. 47 के बाद कौन सा जी? 48. After 48, 75. 75 is this. Okay, then 81. The last there is a 81. Now count the number of terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here the number of terms are even. Even है, that is n is equal to 10. Number of terms are 10. Number of terms 10 है. Therefore, what will be the median? Median will be the median. First of median is equal to mean of mean of what? N by 2th and N by 2 plus 1th observations. We have mean of n 10 by 2th and 10 by 2 plus 1 observation. Now divide 10 by 2 कितना आ गया जी 5. फिफ्थ टर्म हो गई, फिर डिवाइड कर दो 5 plus 1 6 term. Therefore median is mean of fifth and sixth observations. फिफ्थ टर्म कौन सी अब काउंट करनी पड़ेगी आपको? लेट्स काउंट फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ. फिफ्थ है ये एंड सिक्स्थ दिस. दैट इज मीन ऑफ फिफ्थ एंड सिक्स्थ टर्म. मीन कैसे निकालते हैं? सम ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस. फिफ्थ टर्म इज 17 एंड सिक्स्थ टर्म इज 27. इन दोनों का मीन डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस डिवाइडेड बाय 2. दिस इज इक्वल टू मीडियन. therefore मीडियन इज इक्वल टू, दोनों को ऐड कर दो बेटा, कितना आ जाएगा जी? 44. 7 7 14. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. 44 काट दो, कितना आ जाएगा जी? 44. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4. therefore median is equal to, median is equal to 22. median कितना आ गया जी? 22. In some match, the number of goals scored by a team in series of 10 matches. It means there are 10 matches, means number of terms are 10 is given below. 2 in first match, 2 in second match, 3 in third, 5, then 4, 0, 1, 3, 3, 3. In last match, 4 goals they scored. The team scored 4 goals. Solution. First of all, we will do what? We will arrange the data in ascending order. Solution. Arrange the given observations in ascending order. Which one is the smallest? 0 is the smallest number, then 1, then 2, after 2 there is a 3. 3 कितने टाइम है बेटा? 4 times. After 3 there is a 4, again 4 2 times, and last there is a 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. There is the number of terms. Here the number of observations are even, that is n is equal to 10. Therefore median is equal to what? Since it is even, therefore median is mean of of n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th observations. That is mean of n क्या है 10 10 by 2th and 10 by 2 plus 1th observation. Mean of 10 by 2 mean 5th and 10 by 2 ये है 10 by 2 क्या होगा 5 10 by 2 ये कितना आ गया 5 plus 1 कितना हो गया 6 and 6th observation. Which one is the fifth term? Count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth is this and sixth is this. These two. Therefore, mean of fifth and sixth. Fifth with 3 है, sixth with 3. 3 plus 3 divided by 2. This is the median. Six by 2. It means 6 by 2 means 2, 3 is 6. Therefore, median is equal to 3. Right? The weights of 11 students of class 7 in April 2015 is 42 kg, 52 kg, 48 kg, 52 kg, 55 kg, 58 kg, 53 kg, 54 kg, 46 kg, 49 kg and 57 kg. They are 11 in number. This is given. Find the median of these weights in July 2015. One student of kg 58 left the school and new student of weight 68 kg joined the class. Find new median. First of all, we have to find out the median with 58 kg. Then we have to find out the median when a student of 58 kg left the school and student of 68 kg joined the class. Let us start. First of all, what we do? Arrange the data in solution. Solution. Arrange the data in ascending order. Arrange the observations in ascending order. First of all, which is the smallest student? Which is the smallest number here? That is 42. Write down 42. After 42, 46. So student with weight 46. After 46, 48. 49. 9, 52, 52, 53. After 53, 54 is there. 55, 57, 58. Right? Now, since the number of observations are 11, that is, they are odd. Therefore, median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation. Count from here. N plus 1 by 2th observation means n is 11. 11 plus 1 by 2th observation. That is 12 by 2th observation. That means 12 by 2 means 6th observation. Which one is the 6th observation? 6th observation count करनी पड़ेगी 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 52. Therefore, median is 52. Now we want to find out the median when a student of 58 kg left the school and student of 68 kg joined the school. When the student of weight 58 kg left the school and student of 68 kg joined the school. When the student of 58 kg left the school and student with 68 kg joined the school. So I'll arrange the number of observations in ascending order. Arrange the observations in ascending order. Arrange ascending order. First of all, 42. After 42, 46, 46, then 48, 49, 52, again 52, then 53, then 54, then 55, 57, In last 58, instead of 58, we will write down 68 because the student with weight 58 kg left the school. So in last we will write down 68. Now count the number of observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right? Since n number of observations are 11, which are odd in number. Odd, yeah? Therefore, median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation. That is 11 plus 1 means 11 plus 1 कितने हुए 12. 12 by 12 by 2 observation equal to 12. 2 6 that 12. Therefore, sixth observation. Therefore, median is equal to count the number of terms now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 52. Therefore, median is 6 term, that is 52. Right? So with this, we have finished the exercise. Thanks. In next lecture, we will study about the mod. Right? So with this, we are going to finish this lecture. Thanks.